Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you'll be updated of my video. So guys, for today, I will show you how to use the Brookstone Photoshare, how to set it up and how to use it. Actually, it's my first time to try this. We got this this smart frame as a gift from Aunt Grace, my husband's auntie. So let's try it out. Okay, so let's. Okay. So we need to select our internet. And then put the password. You have to put the password. So once you're connected to the internet, you have to download the app. You have to download the Photoshare Frame app from the Android or Apple App Store, then create a new account and log in before tapping the next button. Frame ID, you can now begin to send photos from the app to the frame. Note, you can add another frame by clicking the setting icon in the app and then selecting the add frame option. Okay, let's see. Let's try it. Yay! Let's try it. Okay. So this is the frame settings. See the sound. Touch sound, system volume, new photo notification sound. Okay. Display, let's see display. Display clock during slideshow, auto dim on and off, slideshow interval, every 10 seconds. Okay, I think so, yeah. And then slideshow options. Newest to oldest. Okay, yeah, better. Slideshow playback. Slideshow photos and videos. Okay, good. So this one, you can select if you want only to show photos, you can select that one. But if you want both photos and videos to show in your photo frame, in your Photoshare, so select that. And of course I will select to show photos and videos. Video playback, audio on and off. Okay, good. Alarm clock. Oh, that's an alarm clock. What's the date today? Automatic date and time. Today is, so it's automatically, the date is automatically set. February 4 at 3 p.m. today. Okay. Yeah, PST, Pacific Standard Time. Okay. Storage. How many GB? Internal storage is 4.5 GB. Then wireless data is 5 GB, total of 8 GB. Not bad. And then system. The frame is ready to begin the system update. The frame will automatically restart after the update is completed. Do not power off the frame during. Okay, let it update it first. So we will have the latest update. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, it's currently updating. System update. So stand by, guys. See you. Guys, because the frame is showing the temperature and then your location, the date. Yeah, there's a weather update. Nice clock, alarm clock. Nice music. There is also music.